What's up, guys? My name is Steve and this is Tech Teardown. Today we're on location at my friend's house. We're going to be building him a workstation and a little bit of a gaming PC as well. So I'm going to go over the parts that we have here today, which is an ASRock X570 Phantom Gaming 4, which we are pairing with the Ryzen 7 3700X. Next, we have the graphics card, which is a Sapphire RX 590 8GB graphics card. Excellent graphics card for only about $200 right now. Excellent pickup from AMD. We are cooling the Ryzen 7 3700X with this Be Quiet DarkRock Pro 4 CPU cooler. Very beefy cooler with a 250 watt TDP, so it's going to do an excellent job at cooling the Ryzen 7. As we know, Ryzen 7 performs a lot better when it's cooled better. And then we're powering this system with this EVGA 650 watt power supply. It's 80 plus bronze, so very power efficient. We have a Western Digital Blue hard drive to store some games and other programs we'll be using for work. And a boot drive is the Samsung 970 EVO Pro. For the memory, we have this Crucial Ballistics 16GB kit. It is CL16 and 3200 speed. And for the case, which is off to the side here, it's the Fractal Design Define R6. He still uses a 5¼ inch optical bay drive with a CD-ROM. This was the best case that we could find. It still supports that, but it's still an amazing case. It was Case of the Year in 2017 by many reviewers, so I think we made a great choice. And then I got the new Gamers Nexus toolkit. Gamers Nexus is one of my favorite YouTubers. They just came out with this little thing, and we're going to be using this to build in it. All right, so let's go ahead and move forward and start building. Alright guys, we're done building. I tested just a couple games just to see how it performed, and frames per second, everything were really good in the games I tested. Shadow of the Tomb Raider as well as Hitman 2. They were the only games I was able to bring with me to get tested. But excellent performance here from the Ryzen 7 as well as that Sapphire RX 590. So great computer overall. This Fractal Design case, it's been really a pleasure working with this case. I really enjoyed it, and it's a case I've always wanted to work with, so I'm really glad that I got to. It was the only case that had high quality cooling capabilities and was able to support that 5¼ inch bay drive. Now for the CPU cooler, this Be Quiet DarkRock Pro 4 is excellent cooling, does really good job in keeping these Ryzen 7 cooled, in which we know from Gamers Nexus that keeping the processor really cool really helps it with its boosting performance. So excellent job by the Be Quiet team. And also, while it's doing a great job cooling it, it's doing a great job keeping it quiet. And that's the great thing about this case too. You can decide whether or not you want it to be quiet focused or airflow focused. And being that it's going to be a computer used for work before it becomes a gaming PC, quiet was one of our focuses. So this case has sound dampening walls. So an excellent computer for work, but going to be also a nice looking computer once it becomes a gaming PC. The fractal design, it's been so long since I did any research on this case that I kept getting surprised and pleasantly surprised with how many awesome features it came with just like a quick button release to pull the top off, which you have a fill port if you were going to do water cooling, more sound dampening and air filters for the airflow if you wanted to switch this to an airflow focus case as well. We have a fan hub back here built into the case, which is excellent. Something I loved on my Fantex case, so really enjoyed everything about this case, and still, case from 2017 is something I highly recommend. So if you are looking for a good computer case, I do recommend this Fractal Define R6, and I'll leave links to that to Amazon in the description, guys, if you are interested. All right, but that is going to wrap up this video, guys. Let me know what you think of this workstation / gaming PC, and if you like any of the parts and you want to pick them up yourself, I will leave links to Amazon in the description so you can pick them up yourself. If you like the video, give it a like. If you want to see more from us, hit that subscribe button and the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next video.